Yo, so we just got some crazy information that passed the desk this morning, and I had to come on YouTube and I had to put you guys on so you are in the best opportunity, the best position to get a dub on something potentially you took an L on earlier this year. Let's hop into today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up, see what your boy DeVintage is talking about, and 9 times out of 10 it's an informative video to help you guys out, man. So if you are new here to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. So everybody, real quick, bro, smack that like button and drop some comments down below. Let me know how your day going, man. All right, guys, so if you don't remember, you know what I'm saying, a couple of months ago I told y'all if y'all took an L on a certain sneaker, just wait, there will be restocks because it was so many produced. And that sneaker is the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. Yes, guys, the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined will be restocking, a shock drop kind of restock type, you know what I'm saying, vibe on the Nike sneakers app today at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is something that we've seen before in the past from huge releases. Like last year, the Air Jordan 3, white cement reimagined, they restocked, about mid-year on the Nike sneakers app, a bunch of stock. But with this one in particular, there are scheduled to be around 10,000 mem pairs, so that is kind of slim pickings. It's definitely some slim pickings, but not a lot of people know about it, bro. Not a lot of people know about this shock drop restock today on Nike sneakers app. That's why I'm up on here letting you guys know about it. So right now, let me know if you do need a retail dub. Let me know if you take an L on the Bred 4 Reimagined. Like I said, I think this is still potentially up there for a sneaker of the year, just being honest, but it is a beautiful pair of sneakers, bro. It's definitely a beautiful pair of shoes, man. And like I said, bro, if you took an L, today is the day, bro. Today's the day, man. We finally get that restock. Usually Nike do like a Jordan Reserve or something to that effect, from past releases. They throw it on a Jordan Reserve and throw it on the sneakers app for everybody to try to grab. But today is totally different. As of what I'm hearing right now, it's just going to be a shock drop restock over these things, nothing else included. But you never know with Nike. They could add a couple other things. They could even transition this over to a Jordan Reserve and add other Jordan sneakers on it today. And this information, of course, is courtesy of Family Vibes Discord, man. They've been helping your boy out and helping you guys out with all this information to make sure you are in the best position to hit these sneakers for retail. The information is there, bro. The information is definitely there. You gotta know where to find it. You gotta know the right people, and then ultimately leading you to, getting you some pairs for retail, because that's the ultimate goal, bro. Everybody hates paying resale, and like I said, bro, it was like 400-some thousand pairs of drop of the Bred 4 Reimagined, but guess what? People was still taking L's on these things, man. So today, actually I was wrong, bro. It's 1 p.m. Central Standard Time and 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm gonna have to edit in the beginning, but it is a little change up. Usually it's like 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but no, today it will be 1 p.m. Central Standard Time and 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm putting this video up mad early just for you guys, put y'all in the best position to cop these things. And like I said, it's around 10,000 men's pair and 2,300 GS. So if you guys, if you GS, you need something for your kids, you need something for your spouse or whatever, you guys can, try to hit those 2,300 pairs. But the 10,000 for the men's is going to go pretty quickly. But if not a lot of people know about it, you are in the best position to be the first to cop these things, if you know what I mean. So make sure you guys got your sneakers app updated. Make sure you got your card information up to date, your shipping, all that good stuff, so you not, so you ain't bamboozled, bro. You got to go up on there, having everything A1, stay sauce, and then you be able to, potentially grab these things for retail. I don't need any more pair. Your boy hit like 4 pair of the Bred 4 Reimagined. I had to start letting them things go. But if you still need a pair, bro, today is the day, like I said, man. And this kind of leads me to my next kind of discussion with this, shock drop restock that they are doing. Maybe this is potentially why they are pushing back the Air Jordan 4 military blues. Maybe it has something to do with each other. Maybe it coincides. I don't know, but it is kind of, sort of, close to that first original release date that we were supposed to get for the Air Jordan 4 Industrial Blue Military Blues. But it is what it is. That shoe in itself is going to be a crazy amount of stock. If you take an L on the Bred Reimagined, you can multiply your chances by 3, because that's how many more pairs of the military blue, industrial blue there is, in terms of the original drop date for these Bred Reimagined. So hopefully everybody today, if you ain't got a pair before, you do secure dub. Like I said, it's a sneak little shock drop restock. Not a lot of people talking about it, but I'm always gonna come up in here and let you guys know what I hear so I can help you guys out hitting these pairs for retail. Make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video, subscribe to the channel ASAP Rocky Man, and make sure you hit the notification bell for your boy so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop like this on the channel. And again, man, if you do not know about Family Vibes Discord, I will link their IG down below. Hit them up over IG, tell them you do want to enter the Discord, especially if you want information about restocks, shock drops, exclusive access, and stuff like that. Stuff that I hear that come on YouTube, knowing Family Vibe Discord usually is the first person or first group to know about whatever is popping off in the Steam community. Like I said, I'm gonna tag them down below so you guys go link in, tap in with them, and see what's up. And one more time, since I messed up in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna still edit it, of course, but today, 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, restock over the Bred Reimagined, arguably one of the best releases of the year. Definitely probably the top 2, top 3 Jordan 4s of the year. But make sure you guys hit on the Sneakers app, 1 p.m. Central Standard Time and 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Appreciate all the support, man. Again, thanks for tuning in. All that's been said, man, your boy DeVintage gonna catch you guys in next video. Let me know if you got a dub or L on this restock today. Peace.